One of the biggest questions I've been getting recently is about the Pi network latest update. The major questions are: when can I start selling my Pi coin? Should I sell my Pi coin right now or should I keep holding? And finally, when is the Pi network open mainnet going live? All of this I'm going to talk about in this video. Today, I have some exciting news and updates regarding the Pi network mainnet roadmap. But let me start with, when can people start selling their Pi coin? Before getting started, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get to it. The truth is, people have started selling their Pi coins. If you check CoinMarketCap, the current price of Pi coin is $41 and it is currently listed on exchanges like Huobi, Bitmart and many more. But you can't sell your Pi coins on those exchanges, as the Pi coins listed on those exchanges are known as IOU, and IOU stands for I owe you. I talked about all of this in my previous Pi network video. If you want to learn more about it, then check out the video. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Also, some persons are selling their Pi coins to other users in exchange for cash. I've seen a lot of people in Nigeria selling their Pi coins at the rate of 220 naira to 250 naira per Pi coin. This is more like an OTC or peer-to-peer transaction, where you only transact with someone you know. You give the person your Pi coin and the person in returns gives you cash in payment for your Pi coin. I don't really know the price of the Pi coin on the OTC or peer-to-peer method outside Nigeria. You might want to find out the price. Some of you will be asking, should I sell my Pi coins to these people? I think the decision to sell your Pi coins is in your hands. If you believe in Pi coins so much, you might want to hold it for the long term. But if you don't believe in it, or you want to sell some of your Pi coins and then take cash, the only advice I can give you is make sure you know the person you are selling these coins to so that you don't get scammed. It is very, very important. A lot of persons are complaining of getting scammed, so make sure you know the right person you are selling the coins to. Finally, only those that have completed KYC and have their coins migrated to the mainnet are those that can sell. So if you haven't migrated your coin to the mainnet, don't worry, you can't sell your own at the moment. Now, let's talk about the latest Pi network update. Recently, the Pi network CEO, Dr. Nicholas, dropped an information announcing a two-phase roadmap for the project. This news actually came from the Pi News Media, and Pi News Media is actually one of the reliable sources for everything about Pi network. Pi News Media confirmed that the first version of the mainnet roadmap, known as V1, is set to be unveiled in mid-October, and the second phase, which is the V2, is scheduled to be released sometimes in the fourth quarter of this year. And we're almost in the fourth quarter. With this news and my calculation, it simply means Pi network might most likely launch next year. I don't think there is a possibility launching the coin this year again, following their roadmap. This announcement have left a lot of Pi network community members angry, and that's because it has taken so long for the open mainnet phase of the Pi network to launch. People have been expecting this for several years right now, but the Pi network team are not even making it better. Reasons best known to them. A lot of community members are asking, will the Pi network team ever launch the final stage of their mainnet, or is everything just a scam or just play or something? You see, this is the question going through the minds of everyone, and I sincerely understand how you all feel about it. I also feel bad about the whole thing, but you just have to give these people some time to get this thing fixed. I think it's too early to call it a scam. If you're tired of mining just like me, you can stop mining and wait till their launch. In conclusion, everyone, including myself, is not impressed with the communication of the Pi team, as they have kept everyone in the dark. I really hope this wait is worth it. So if you have your coin migrated to mainnet, you might want to sell some or hold it. All of this decision is based on you alone. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to this channel, as I will share further updates about the Pi network when I get them. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.